Hello, it's Vicky here. Welcome to my channel. Today's video I'll be sharing with you a simple trick to updo your dress or to refurbish your dress. This is the dress I'm using for this video. It's a red velvet gown and it's plain and a little bit boring, so I wanted to do something little on it, to make it look fabulous. I'm starting by pumping out some fabric glue onto the spot that I want to be placing on the beads. And basically these are the items you'll be needing: a fabric glue and beads. That is all you'll be needing for this project. Using a bead that has a flat side, like one part to the bead was actually flat, made it so much easier. And I'm just placing it onto the fabric glue that I already pumped out, and that is it. And you want to make sure that when washing, you want to flip it backwards to wash, be it hand wash or machine wash. And you have to let this dry about maybe an hour or less. And it took me just about maybe 5 minutes or even less to do this, and the result was really good. So stick around to see how it turns out. Yeah, this is the final result. It looks so much, at least to an extent, it looks better and different. I repeated same thing at the back as well. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and watch out for my upcoming videos as well.